As Adidas basketball gears up for two major debuts next month, its signature lineup is coming into focus. While futuristic designs define the shoes of stars like Anthony Edwards, James Harden, Donovan Mitchell, and Damian Lillard, clearer pricing tiers have also helped streamline the collection. Dame's line now serves as the budget-friendly option, with Mitchell's and Edwards models in the mid-range, and Harden's line at the premium end. The upcoming Adidas Dame X stands out with a $90 price point and bold colorways that elevate its appeal. While Lucid Lime and all-black versions cater to adult sizes, the vibrant Flash Aqua marks the first grade school, G's, exclusive revealed so far. Its striking aquamarine palette perfectly suits energetic, youthful sneaker fans. The Flash Aqua is expected to be one of the first releases in the Dame X line, which is set to officially debut this July.